Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate 11's look on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. For the hair, I just use this buzz cut in the default color so you don't have to change anything about it. Then I use these earrings to create the nosebleed in this color 700C0E in foil. It's these earrings, by the way, from the Valentine's Day area. Position the Y 0.49, Z 0.43, rotate the X to 0.51, Y 0.36, and scale it all the way to 0. For the outfit, we are going to use a lot of jacket for this one, so select this one first. In this color, also I did use VIP for this, for the top, but you can substitute that top. I did also use a VIP skirt though, so select this color 576688 in denim for all of it. Then we're going to get this as well in that same color in denim. I think I might leave the zipper color. Grab this leather jacket in that same color. I might change the color of the collar here. So select denim first, and I think I might make it a little bit more, should I do darker or lighter? I think I'll go with the darker one. And then here as well in denim. And then the little buttons as well in denim, like so. Then for the top, I did use this. I know it's not exactly the same. Colored it white in this pink peachy color. Grab this skirt and the third toggle, and I also colored it the same color in all matte, like that. Lastly, we are going to grab these socks in high stripe socks in all white. Hello, what did I add? Oh, that is so annoying sometimes. And the no feet toggle. Grab, oops, wrong shoes. Grab these shoes and color them white, and then this blue 16153D, and the rest white as well. And that is 11 for you guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.